Welcome to Mindzita, empowering minds with tech. In this video, I'll show you how to create and customize a navigation menu in Wix. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit. Click on the Edit website, and the Wix Editor will open. Now, click anywhere on the page where you want to add the menu. Go to the Add section on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type Menu. You'll see different menu layouts available. Choose the layout you like. For this tutorial, we'll select this menu layout. Next, let's add pages to the menu. Click on Pages, then select Add Page. Choose Blank Page and rename the page as needed. Repeat this step to create as many pages as you want. All newly created pages will automatically appear in the navigation menu. To change the font, color, or style of the menu items, click on the menu, then go to Text Editor. Select all design options, and then choose Menu Items. From here, you can change the text style, font size, and color to match your website design. Once everything looks good, click Preview to see how your menu looks on the live site. Refresh the page to confirm the changes. Finally, click Publish to make your menu live. If you want to rearrange the menu items, go back to the editor and click Manage Menu. Simply drag and drop the menu items into your preferred order. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized a navigation menu in Wix. If you run into any issues, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.